Here I have OPPO RX17 Pro, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then find and select fingerprint, face and passcode, and here you should select fingerprint. Now just tap on add a fingerprint, and now enter the passcode that you have. I know that it's one of most commonly used, but still, let's leave it like that. And now you have to tap on the sensor with your finger. And you have to do it several times. Just have to tap and move your finger away. You have to repeat this step for about 10 or even 15 times. Then tap on continue. And here, lastly, you have to tap on it for about, oh, something went wrong, for about 7 times. And that's it. Fingerprint is ready. So let's tap on continue. And now, if your device is locked, you can easily enable it by tapping here with your finger. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.